In Brazil, watermelons are not just a refreshing summer treat. They also carry cultural significance. The fruit is emblematic of the country's vibrant summer season, providing a cooling and sweet respite from the heat. Watermelons have become more than just a popular fruit. They are a symbol of Brazil's lush agricultural landscape and the country's connection to its natural resources. They represent the heart of summer, as their bright red flesh and sweet juice embody the very essence of warmth and celebration. Brazil's watermelon industry is a key contributor to its agricultural economy. In recent years, the country has seen an estimated production of about 2.3 million tons of watermelons annually. With this large-scale production, Brazil ranks as the fourth largest watermelon producer in the world. Watermelons make up a significant portion of Brazil's overall fruit production, contributing to the nation's 41 million tons of fruits produced annually. For the people of Brazil, the watermelon is not only a delicious snack, but also an integral part of their agricultural heritage, cultivated with great care and pride by dedicated farmers. Each watermelon that is grown reflects the hard-working spirit of the nation, from the farmers to the land itself, showing a deep connection between the people and the soil that nourishes them. The journey of the watermelon in Brazil begins long before it reaches the table. Successful watermelon farming requires a carefully planned approach, from the initial soil preparation to the selection of the best seeds suited for the region's climate. Brazil's diverse geography and varying climate conditions mean that the right varieties of watermelon must be chosen to thrive in the different regions across the country. Common watermelon varieties in Brazil include the well-known Crimson Sweet and Charleston Gray, as well as disease-resistant hybrids that ensure a healthy crop. Soil preparation is an essential first step in the watermelon farming process. For optimal growth, the soil must be nutrient-rich, well-drained, and have a balanced pH level, ideally between 6.0 and 6.8. This creates the perfect environment for the watermelon plants to grow strong and healthy. Farmers use a combination of organic and green manure to enrich the soil before planting. Ensuring that the ground is adequately nourished to support the rapid growth of the watermelon vines. Once the soil is ready, the next step is selecting the right seeds. The seeds must match the local climate and soil conditions to ensure that the plants can grow successfully. The most common watermelon varieties planted in Brazil include both hybrid and open-pollinated options. Hybrid varieties tend to be more disease-resistant, which is crucial for ensuring a healthy and productive crop. The seeds are chosen not only for their adaptability, but also for the quality of the fruit they produce. As farmers aim to cultivate watermelons that are both sweet and aesthetically appealing. After the soil has been prepared and the seeds selected, the next step is planting. In Brazil, watermelons are typically planted at the beginning of the rainy season, from July to December, when the warm weather provides ideal conditions for the plants to flourish. Proper spacing between the plants is essential to ensure they have enough room to grow and spread out. The recommended spacing between watermelon plants is between 4-11 inches and 6 and 7, so with a planting depth of approximately 0.066 to 0.098 feet. This gives each plant enough space to thrive without overcrowding, which is essential for healthy growth. Once the seeds are planted, it takes about 30 to 40 days for the watermelon flowers to begin blooming, signaling the early stages of fruit development. During this period, farmers continue to monitor the growth of the plants carefully, ensuring that they receive adequate water, sunlight, and nutrients. The flowers are a crucial part of the watermelon's life cycle, as they eventually give way to the small fruits that will grow into large, juicy melons. Depending on the variety and the weather conditions, the fruit will take about 80 to 90 days to reach maturity, though this can vary slightly. As the watermelon fruits grow, the farmers continue to care for them with great attention to detail. The plants require consistent watering, particularly during the warmer months when water is essential for the fruit's development. The watermelons begin to take shape, and the leaves start to show signs of maturation. When the stem near the fruit begins to wilt and the rind darkens, it is a clear indication that the melons are ready for harvest. Harvesting watermelons in Brazil is traditionally done by hand, using carefully honed techniques that ensure the fruit is not damaged during the process. The work begins early in the morning to ensure that the melons stay fresh throughout the harvesting process. Workers use sharp knives and scissors to detach each watermelon from the vine, taking care not to bruise or harm the fruit. This manual method requires significant skill, as each watermelon must be carefully cut from the vine at the right moment to ensure it remains in perfect condition. However, modern farming technology has introduced new methods that are helping to improve efficiency, especially on larger farms. The Bistron watermelon harvester, for example, has revolutionized the harvesting process, allowing for large-scale harvesting with greater speed and precision. This advanced piece of machinery features a powerful engine and specialized cutting blades that allow it to harvest up to 13,220 pounds of watermelon per hour. With its automated control system, the harvester minimizes the need for manual labor, reduces harvesting time, and helps preserve the quality of the watermelons. Its fuel-efficient design also makes it an ideal choice for farmers looking to reduce their carbon footprint while increasing their productivity. Despite these advancements in technology, traditional harvesting methods remain an important part of Brazil's agricultural culture. Many smaller farms continue to rely on skilled labor and manual harvesting techniques to ensure that each watermelon is harvested with care and precision. This blend of tradition and modernity has enabled Brazil to maintain its position as one of the world's top watermelon producers. Once harvested, the watermelons are carefully transported to distribution centers, where they undergo a series of processes to ensure they maintain their freshness and quality. In 2023, Brazil achieved an impressive watermelon yield of 2.425 million tons, cementing its status as one of the world's leading watermelon producers. This abundance not only satisfies the domestic demand for watermelon, but also supports exports to other countries. At the distribution center, the watermelons are placed in large bins and moved through conveyor systems for sorting and inspection. Workers carefully assess the watermelons based on their size, ripeness, and overall quality. Any fruit that does not meet the high standards is separated for further inspection. After sorting, the watermelons are cleaned using large rotating brushes that gently remove dust, dirt, and other impurities from the surface. This cleaning process not only ensures the watermelons are free from debris, but also enhances their visual appeal, giving them a polished and shiny appearance. Once cleaned and inspected, the watermelons are carefully packaged and prepared for transportation. Each watermelon is placed into crates with great care, ensuring that it is securely packed to avoid damage during transit. The carefully packed watermelons are then shipped to retailers and consumers, where they will be enjoyed fresh, offering a taste of Brazil's agricultural excellence. The journey of a watermelon in Brazil is a long and carefully planned process, from the initial seed selection to the moment it reaches the consumer's table. The combination of traditional farming techniques, modern agricultural technology, and dedication to quality ensures that Brazil remains one of the top producers of watermelons in the world. Whether grown using manual methods or harvested with advanced machinery, the watermelons of Brazil are a testament to the hard work, passion, and ingenuity of its farmers. With every watermelon harvested, Brazil's agricultural industry continues to thrive, providing fresh, high-quality fruit to consumers, both domestically and abroad. This remarkable journey is a reflection of Brazil's commitment to sustainable and efficient farming practices, helping the nation continue to lead the world in watermelon production.